So our research is about extraction from royal-jelly extracellular vesicles, and this is our characterization. And our royal-jelly extracellular vesicles, also called RJEVs, it can promote wound healing faster, even at normal wound or diabetic wounds. Our our RJEVs, its side effect is not very clear, so maybe we need to have more experiment to show that. The laws in Taiwan about EVs is characterization or is definition is not very clear. So maybe in 3 to 5 years we need to our law or the global law need to be more improved.